So in today's video, we are going to be cracking my back on this starting from level 1 to level 3. Okay, so it started. So now it's level 2. Now, this is the one what I think feels the best, level 3.